Came from the block, now I'm here.
From the curb to the boardroom.
Told them we was coming, they ain't hear me. But now, we on the way to the top. We on the way to the top, baby. I remember cold nights with no heat, no dreams, just a pocket full of hopes, that's all I believe. But my fam stayed with me. Life told me nah, but I told life wait, while I learned how to make it out of every gate. No gold spoon, just the streets and my pride. Left the trap behind to take this ride. Whole hood watched, said I wouldn't make it, but I moved in silence still. They couldn't shake it. Rack up, get the dream, then live it. Every struggle was a lesson, now I'm feeling gifted. From the block to the billboard, now they know my name. Every city, every coast, respect the game. Started with a plan and some faith in my crew, and now they see me moving like I always knew. We rise up, I'm putting on for the ones that been with me. From the gutter to the Grammy stage, y'all gon' feel me. From the block to the billboard, can't stop what we build. Every struggle turned into pure gold, turn my pain into silk. From the block to the billboard, success dripping like milk. Now they callin', now they see us. We built this empire on wheel. They told me stay in line, but I made my lane. Came from the heart of the block where we